Alright, hello there again. Today we're going to cut our 4-inch cast iron here. Now I got enough wood in, I got to think about what we're going to do with our plumbing here. So we need to cut that cast iron on right here. Just past the coupling here. Cast iron coupling. And so we're going to zippy tie them wires up out of the way, and we'll try to cut a little bit. Alright, let me get things set up and then we'll do a little reciprocating sawing. Oop, we're dirty again. There. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, we got our wires zippy tied and just up on a 2-inch screw, just hold them up out of the way. And we're going to make a cut right there. So, let me set the camera up here. Set you up right here. Get in right on the pipe there. Let's try that. Remember not to kick the camera over, huh? Alright, honey. This works. And then we're just using a Lennox carbide blade. Really don't look like, it just looks like a bunch of stuff glued on the blade or welded on the blade. It's not really any teeth. Oh. And then just like every drill bit drills perfect at a certain speed or RPM, same thing with Sawzall blades. You have to find the right speed where that blade cuts the most efficiently without getting too hot. And that's the only trick about cutting steel or even wood. You know, wood you'll figure out the speed that the blade will want to cut through the wood the best. All right. Just work it like that, and it'll take about 15-20 minutes. Now, you know, really should have a pair of snap cutters, but this is what you do when you pour. Not pour, just as much cast iron as I cut these as, it ain't worth paying for a pair of snap cutters or chain cutters. Ratchet cutter. Alright, thank you for watching, and cutting cast iron.